Now I will demonstrate how to disassemble the Airwolf's fuselage set. You need to prepare 3 screwdrivers, a longer Phillips screwdriver and a hexagonal screwdriver. First, remove the 4 screws on the nose. After removing them, just bend the nose upwards and it will fall off. Then start from the right side of the plane and remove the screws on this side. Then there are 2 screws on the vertical tail. After removing the vertical tail, there are still screws here. Then there is a screw on the side of the weapon shell below. This shell has 2 screws, and then remove the screws in the same position on the side. Then there is 1 screw here after taking down the shell. And then remove it here in front. After all the screws are removed, you can open the case. After opening it, first unplug the leg cord here, and then gently pull up here in front of the nose, and this half will be removed. Then take a pair of scissors and unplug the motor wire by holding it in the slot with your fingernails. Then you can take down the shielding paper here, and then remove the 2 screws. gently pull out the optical flow sensor. And then remove the 2 screws of the GPS module. Remove the GPS module. Pull out the light. Remove the screws on the other side of the casing, and then remove the live wire. In this way, the entire fuselage set the Airwolf is disassembled.